Are you giving your kidneys the support they need every day? Your kidneys are among the hardest working organs in your body. These two bean-shaped organs filter nearly 50 gallons of blood daily, helping remove waste products, balance fluids, regulate minerals, and support many vital functions that keep your body healthy. As we age, kidney health becomes increasingly important. Years of dehydration, excessive sodium intake, sugary beverages, poor dietary choices, and certain lifestyle habits may gradually place additional stress on the kidneys. Many people search for drinks that can flush toxins from the body. The truth is that healthy kidneys already perform this job naturally. However, certain beverages may support hydration, circulation, and overall kidney function when consumed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Today, we'll discuss 3 popular drinks that may help support kidney health naturally: black coffee, hibiscus tea, and cucumber smoothies. Let's start with the first drink. Drink number 1, black coffee. Many people are surprised to see coffee on a kidney health list. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world and contains hundreds of naturally occurring compounds, including antioxidants and polyphenol. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a natural process that may contribute to cellular damage over time. Because the kidneys work continuously to filter waste from the blood, they may benefit from overall antioxidant support. Moderate coffee consumption has also been associated with various health benefits in numerous studies. In addition to supporting alertness and mental focus, black coffee provides these benefits without added sugars when consumed plain. The key word is moderation. Large amounts of sugar, flavored syrups, sweetened creamers, and whipped toppings may significantly reduce coffee's potential health benefits. For kidney-friendly support, plain black coffee is generally the better option. How to prepare black coffee? Making black coffee is simple and requires only 2 ingredients. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of ground coffee to a coffee maker, French press, or filter. Allow it to brew for several minutes before pouring it into a cup. Drink it plain without adding sugar or artificial creamers. If desired, a small amount of milk may be added. Many adults enjoy black coffee during the morning hours to support energy and alertness throughout the day. Drink number 2, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower and is known for its beautiful deep red color and refreshing tart flavor. This vibrant color comes from natural compounds called anthocyanins, which act as antioxidants inside the body. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and support overall wellness. One reason hibiscus tea has become popular among health-conscious adults is its ability to provide hydration without the large amounts of sugar often found in soft drinks and fruit beverages. Proper hydration is essential because the kidneys rely on adequate fluid intake to perform their filtration functions efficiently. Some research suggests hibiscus tea may also support healthy blood pressure levels already within the normal range. Since blood pressure and kidney health are closely connected, maintaining cardiovascular wellness may indirectly benefit kidney function. Its refreshing taste also makes it an excellent alternative to sugary beverages. How to prepare hibiscus tea? Preparing hibiscus tea is quick and easy. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers and allow them to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and serve warm, or refrigerate it and enjoy it cold over ice. For extra flavor, add a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Avoid adding large amounts of sugar. The natural tart flavor is one of the reasons many people enjoy hibiscus tea. Drink number 3, cucumber smoothie. When people think about kidney-friendly drinks, cucumbers often do not come to mind. However, cucumbers contain a high percentage of water, making them an excellent food for hydration. Hydration is one of the most important factors in supporting healthy kidney function. When the body is properly hydrated, the kidneys can perform their job more efficiently by helping regulate fluid balance and remove waste products. Cucumbers also contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall wellness. A cucumber smoothie can be a refreshing and nutritious way to increase daily fluid intake while avoiding sugary beverages. Many adults who struggle to drink enough water throughout the day find cucumber-based drinks easier to enjoy consistently. How to prepare a cucumber smoothie. This refreshing smoothie requires only a few ingredients. Wash and peel 1 medium cucumber. Cut it into small pieces and place it in a blender. Add 1 cup cold water. Juice of half a lemon. 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. A few ice cubes if desired. Blend until smooth. Serve immediately for maximum freshness and flavor. This light, refreshing drink is especially enjoyable during warm weather and may help support daily hydration goals. Common beverage mistakes that may affect kidney health. Supporting kidney health is not only about what you drink. It is also about avoiding beverages that may place unnecessary stress on the body. Sugary soft drinks often contain large amounts of added sugar and calories. Over time, excessive sugar intake may contribute to weight gain and metabolic issues. Many energy drinks contain high levels of sugar, caffeine, and stimulants that may not be suitable for everyone. Excessive alcohol consumption may also negatively affect hydration and overall health. Replacing these beverages with healthier options may help support long-term wellness. Additional habits that support healthy kidneys. Even the healthiest drink cannot replace good daily habits. Kidney health depends on a combination of factors working together consistently over time. Regular physical activity helps support circulation and overall wellness. Maintaining healthy blood pressure and blood sugar levels may help reduce stress on the kidneys. Eating a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole foods, and fiber supports overall health. Getting enough sleep and managing stress are equally important. Often, the biggest improvements come from small habits practiced every day. No beverage can instantly flush toxins or cure kidney disease. Healthy kidneys already perform the body's natural detoxification process every day. People with chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, diabetes, high blood pressure, or other medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Natural beverages work best as part of a balanced lifestyle rather than as miracle solutions. Your kidneys work tirelessly every day to help keep your body healthy and balanced. Supporting them does not require expensive detox products or complicated programs. Simple habits such as staying hydrated, choosing healthier beverages, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle may help support kidney function naturally. Black coffee may provide antioxidant support, hibiscus tea may help promote hydration and cardiovascular wellness, and cucumber smoothies may contribute to healthy fluid intake and overall wellness. While none of these drinks are miracle cures, they can become valuable additions to a kidney-friendly lifestyle when enjoyed regularly and responsibly. Sometimes better health begins with the small choices we make every single day.